If you suffer from a lack of confidence in any area of your life, I'm going to help you overcome that starting from today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through a guided hypnosis session focused around building confidence. And just before we start, I think it's really important to note what exactly is hypnosis and how does it work, because many people still don't quite understand it. Hypnosis really is nothing more than guided imagination. And as adults, we tend to forget how powerful the imagination is and we don't use it enough. So we're going to be using the imagination, talking to the unconscious mind where all change happens, not the conscious thinking part of the mind, because that's the part that's keeping you stuck. We're going to talk to the unconscious mind, which is where all the decisions are made. Now, I also think it's important to note that hypnosis is a really, really unique experience. No two people will ever experience it in the same way because as individuals, we are all unique and there's absolutely no right or wrong with it. So what I would say is just go with it. If your unconscious mind shows you things, whatever it comes up with, don't worry if it's right or wrong. Don't try to second guess it. Just keep going with it and just let it happen, because just remember that it's a unique experience and you can't do it wrong. Your unconscious mind always knows what it needs to do to change. So all we're going to do, nice and simply, just make sure that you're comfortable and that you're somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed. And now all you're going to need to do is just gently close your eyes. And as you've got your eyes closed, all you're going to do is you're going to breathe in for 4, then you're going to hold for 4, and you're going to breathe out for 4. So we're going to breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just notice now how you might feel even more relaxed. And if you don't, that's fine as well, because as you listen to the sound of my voice, you notice your breathing begins to slow down and you begin to feel even more relaxed now. We're just going to do one more round of the breathing in for 4, holding for 4, and breathing out for 4. So we're going to breathe in for 4 now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even more relaxed. You may now begin to notice the feeling of hypnosis, your hypnosis, traveling through the body, going wherever it wants to go. As you go deeper and deeper and deeper into your hypnosis, let it travel through the body, going wherever it wants to go, feeling even more relaxed. You can now just see yourself standing on the edge of a forest. See the sun shining through the trees. It's a beautiful day. Your surroundings are calm, safe, and peaceful. And you're just going to take a very slow walk into that forest, just one step at a time. We're going to step forward now. And we're going to take another step forward and just notice with every step that you feel more relaxed. And just allow your body to go deeper into that hypnosis. You take another step forward, feeling some leaves underneath your feet. almost like you're walking on a cloud. And another step forward, seeing the light from the sun beam through the trees, making your body feel even warmer and more relaxed. And another step forward, deeper into that hypnosis. And another step forward. Feel a soft breeze wash over your chest. Feeling even more relaxed now. Now you see yourself in a clearing in the forest. And you notice how you feel calm, peaceful, and relaxed. And just ahead of you, you notice a screen. It could be any shape. It could be any size. But on that screen, you see yourself. And you realise that the film you're watching on it is you as the most confident version of yourself possible. And notice how you stand. With your head up, with your shoulders back, with your chest out. Notice how you walk. Purposefully, confidently, authoritatively. Notice how you talk to other people. Projecting your voice. Saying the things you want to say. And speaking with a calm confidence. An inner knowing of courage, confidence, and conviction. And just notice all the things you're doing with that confidence. And as you watch that screen, I want you now just to turn up the brightness. So it becomes more vivid, more real. Turn up the volume so you can hear it louder. You can hear yourself louder. And notice how it feels as it becomes even more real now. And as you stand looking at the screen, watching this amazing movie, this version of you that exists, so real, so vivid, you can almost feel the confidence of that version of you how incredible it would feel. And now you see that version of you stepping out of the screen and into your shoes now. Feel that energy of that confidence just flowing through the body. How warm it feels. How incredible it feels as it seeps into every cell of your body, making you feel warmer, more confident, and more incredibly amazing than you've ever felt in your entire life now. With every second that passes, it grows and grows and grows. That feeling inside you gets warmer and stronger till you feel like you're going to burst with confidence. And just sit in that feeling now. What an incredible feeling. And you know now that this feeling is yours. It's who you are. And you know that from this moment on, you're going to walk with confidence. You're going to talk with confidence. And you're going to act as a confident person that you really are. from this moment on, whenever you look in the mirror, you're going to feel that warm fuzzy glow of confidence flood through your body as you smile from ear to ear. Every time you look in the mirror, you feel it grow inside you like a plant growing from the earth, getting bigger and bigger day by day. Every time you look in the mirror, you're going to feel that incredible, unbelievable confidence inside you. And in a moment, I'm going to count you down from 5 until 1. And when you get to 1, you're going to take that amazing, warm, confident feeling and bring it into your real life. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and go out into the world and live with that confidence, because it's yours.